You might think I'm lying, but you can make Starbucks bacon and Gruyère egg bites yourself for cheaper and they're tastier and healthier. I know you're way too addicted to Starbucks, but trust me when I say these are way better than Starbucks and you need to save and share this recipe ASAP. Get 4 slices of bacon and cook them to your liking. Once cooked, cut it into small pieces. They don't need to be equal sizes. Strain and keep the bacon fat. We will need this for later. For 12 egg bites, add 6 eggs, 1 cup of cottage cheese, 1 cup of shredded Gruyère cheese, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of salt and pepper. Optionally add a tiny bit of hot sauce or this velvet volcano for a boost of flavor and blend it up till it's foamy. Get a muffin pan and use the bacon fat from earlier to coat the insides. This ensures that the egg bites won't stick to the tray. Pour the egg mixture into it, evenly spread out the cooked bacon throughout. Push down any pieces of bacon that are floating on top. Put it in a bigger oven-safe tray. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and carefully pour boiling water into the outer tray until it reaches halfway up the sides of the muffin pan. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the eggs are set. You'll know they are done when the egg bites easily pull away from the edges. Let it rest and cool for about 5 minutes before taking them out. You can store these in the fridge for up to 3 days for best results. You can also wrap them tightly in plastic wrap and store them in the freezer for around 2 months. You might believe me or